Please, can you tell me how do airplanes stay in the air and not fall?
Ah, now I understand your question. Airplanes stay in the air thanks to several amazing factors. The wings generate a force called lift when air flows around them, and the engines provide forward thrust. The aircraft's design also allows for control over direction and altitude. It's a wonderful combination of physics and engineering. Would you like to know more details?
I want to know how the weather does affect the flight.
Ah, now I understand. Weather affects flight in several important ways. Strong winds can push the aircraft off course or make takeoff and landing challenging. Turbulence caused by weather changes can make the flight bumpy. Rain, snow, or ice can reduce visibility and affect the aircraft's performance. Pilots and air traffic controllers monitor weather conditions closely to ensure safe flights. Would you like to know more about specific weather effects? Great question. Airplanes fly long distances across continents through several key factors. They have powerful jet engines that provide continuous thrust for hours. The wings are designed for efficient lift at cruising altitudes, where the air is thinner and there's less drag. Aircraft also carry large amounts of fuel in their wings and body. Additionally, advanced navigation systems and flight planning help them follow the most efficient routes. Would you like to know more about any specific aspect? Rockets work based on Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. The rocket engine burns fuel to create hot gases that shoot downward with tremendous force, which pushes the rocket upward. As it rises, it goes through different layers of the atmosphere, each with different air density and temperature. The rocket must overcome Earth's gravity and atmospheric drag. Once it reaches space, where there's no air, it uses stored fuel and oxidizers to continue moving. It's an incredible journey. Would you like to know more about any specific part?
I'd like to know how astronauts train before going to the space.
Astronauts train extensively before going to space. They spend years preparing through physical conditioning to withstand the extreme forces of launch and zero gravity. They learn to operate spacecraft systems, conduct spacewalks, and perform scientific experiments. They also train in simulators that mimic space conditions, practice emergency procedures, and learn survival skills. They study astronomy, geology, and other sciences relevant to their missions. Teamwork and psychological preparation are also crucial since they'll be living and working closely with others in confined spaces. It's a very comprehensive training program. Would you like to know more about any specific aspect of astronaut training?
I would like to know how satellites help us in everyday life on Earth.
Space technology helps us on Earth in many amazing ways. Satellite communications enable global phone calls, internet, and GPS navigation. Weather satellites help predict storms and save lives. Medical technologies developed for space, like MRI machines and water purification systems, are used in hospitals worldwide. Space research has also led to improvements in materials, insulation, and even memory foam mattresses. Agricultural monitoring from space helps farmers grow better crops. These technologies make our daily lives safer, healthier, and more connected. Isn't it incredible how exploring space benefits us right here on Earth?